everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have got 5 giant boxes that we're going to be unboxing. You'll be able to find all of these items on hookedonpickin.com, and it's a variety of things from tools to stationery to other trinkets, but I can't quite remember because the order was done eons ago, and so we're going to go ahead and unbox it, see what we find. All right, go ahead and open this giant one. Pretty sure I just destroyed the invoice. Cut right through it. I did.
Who needs the invoice?
Who needs to know how much we paid for stuff, right? There we go. All right, let's just go right here. This one is
silicone
spatulas. Look at those.
I haven't had these in a while.
Yeah.
I don't think we've ever had those. We've had different kinds.
Yeah.
This is a company that has all kinds of little, referred to as impulse buys. And, ooh, Godiva.
And that's exactly what they are. The milk chocolate
Godiva
caramel.
chocolates. Yeah, nice. Yeah. You want to open one of these so we can see?
Absolutely.
Cool, cool. It is good. It is good chocolate.
Yep. Ooh, they're candy bars.
Yeah, they are. Beautiful.
Yummy.
Beautiful.
All right, we've got socks.
Oh, really?
Socks.
Okay.
This would be perfect for summertime.
Yeah. They look almost beachy, you know?
They do look beachy. Kind of that springtimey colors.
Yep.
Unicorn egg growing pet. So these are kind of neat. I think you put them in the water.
Who knew unicorns were born in an egg?
Yeah, right?
There they are.
So it looks like you add them in water and then they hatch.
Of course.
Of course.
Just like real unicorns.
Right. Oh, more Godiva.
We load it up.
Can't ever have too much chocolate.
No.
I grab a couple of different boxes here. Just stay right here. There. Little wooden blackboard. Oh,
Look at that.
so you can clip it and leave a little note.
That's awesome.
It's so cute.
It's just a little... That's great. That's like somebody had a ton of clothespins and said, we got to make something out of those.
Yes, absolutely.
That is cute.
It's super cute. It'd be good to like leave notes for people.
Yep. Sell them for $35 a piece.
Hey, I got 2 more boxes down here.
Probably not $35. Is that the same box?
No.
No, different. Did you open it upside down? Maybe not.
It's hard to get open. Oh, because it has like a protector thing on it.
Compact, maybe?
Compact. Jeweled compact.
Ooh.
Hello, everyone.
Fancy.
So it looks like you got different colors. Purple, blue, pink.
Comes in handy.
Yep. All right. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, perfect for this time of the year. Sprinkler heads. Jet, flat, center, cone, soaker, mist, shower. All
Perfect.
different kinds.
I need one of those for the house.
Yeah.
100%. 100%, man.
What are these? Are these crossbody bags?
I have no idea. Literally, this was over a month. It was before we went to ASD we ordered this.
Yeah, it's just been sitting. Yeah. These are crossbody bags.
Kind of a fanny pack style?
Yeah.
Well, look at
But
that.
they come in a variety of different colors. Black, blue, gray. But these are more of a, like a waterproof.
Even better.
Yeah.
Good for jogging, maybe.
Agreed. Oh, there's some more. Happy chick.
Happy chick.
I'm glad it's not a sad chick. A sad chick would be sad.
True. Oh.
Yes. Here we go. Ready? So happy. Happy little chickie.
It's coming after you, Heather.
Oh no.
Oop. It's stuck.
It's always in the
Nope.
affirmative.
Coming
It always
around.
says yes.
It's true. It's a happy chick.
It's a happy chick. Oh, these are eyeshadow wands. Well, I actually need some of these.
All right. We'll sell all of them but one. There's be 11
There you
instead
go.
of 12.
All right, what are these? Mickey Sticker Story Adventure. And Minnie Sticker Story Adventure.
We got them both. What's in the bottom?
Oh,
Little
food storage
jar.
containers.
Metal lid?
Yeah, 10
That's
ounce.
neat. Is it glass or plastic?
This is metal, and this is plastic.
Metal and plastic? Nice.
Yeah. Is that all that's in there? Yeah. It's nifty.
That was interesting. They just threw a bunch of stuff in that box.
Yeah. Oh, more happy chicks. Let me
More
make
happy
sure
chicks.
They're actually chicks. Sometimes they'll use the same box but put a different animal in.
Oh, they did.
They did. Okay, hold on. We have
It's
to
a
make
bunny
them
rabbit.
jump. It's a hopping bunny. Don't jump to your death, sir. Okay, so we have 2 boxes of bunnies. Here's the other box.
Yeah, I wonder if we order these even before Easter, thinking they'd go good for Easter.
Maybe. I bet this one is chicks.
Yeah.
Check. Double check real fast. Yep.
Yep.
Oh, more copper knives.
Copper knives.
Well, now we have 2 companies we get these copper knives from now.
Yeah, we do.
Yep, they're nice.
We are loaded for bear on copper knives.
Yes, we are. Okay, last thing in here. Oh, more of the water spout.
Great.
Okay, that's 1 big box down.
1 box down. 4 to go. It's a lot in these boxes.
There is a lot of these boxes. This says Godiva, but it's an empty box. I think they just use that for filler.
Probably.
Yeah, they're empty. What do you see in there?
Something. I think hammers. I found some hammers.
Hammer time.
I was
Whoa.
actually thinking about engraving something on the hammer. You know, like Dad's hammer
I
or
think
something like
You
that.
should engrave hammer time.
Hammer time. Absolutely. We're definitely doing hammer
Yes,
time.
we have to do hammer time. All
Hammer
right,
time.
If you have suggestions on what to engrave on the hammers, let us know. We would love to take any and all suggestions for that.
Wood broadsword.
What? Is this also for engraving?
Could be. I don't know.
I don't know how I opened the box that way, but it happened.
You're amazing.
Yeah, you could engrave something on there.
Oh, yeah. What could we do?
A pirate's life for me.
A pirate's life for me. That would be awesome.
Yeah,
What would you guys engrave on there?
the black pearl.
Captain.
Armady.
Armady.
You could put Captain.
Very nice.
Peter Pan.
That's cool. We'll find something to engrave on it.
Yeah. I did this one upside down. Okay. Umbrellas. You need to tell the story, Paul, of what happened to the umbrella.
We had an umbrella at yesterday's softball game.
It was very windy.
It was incredibly windy. I was holding the umbrella, and literally it just
snapped in
two.
half.
Yes. It was very windy, very, very windy.
It was the funniest thing ever.
But
it was literally.
It was an older umbrella.
It was something like you would see on a Charlie Chaplin, like silent movie moment. It looked that comical.
Everybody laughed. They had a good time.
Yeah, it was funny. Different colors?
Yeah, I think so. Should be 3 different colors on them.
Red, blue, black. Okay.
Whisk.
Whisk. Silicone whisks.
God bless America. Silicone whisk.
Okay.
More hammer time.
More hammer time. It really must say hammer.
I think it's a great idea.
At least one that says hammer time.
Hammer time for sure.
We could do a hooked on Pickin hammer.
What do we got? Four boxes left. There we go.
Oh, we probably got these for engraving too.
A lot of engraving ideas we were coming up with. Stainless steel bottle.
You could do Best Mom Ever. You could do Nana. You could do
Indian Jesus Wins.
Yes.
There's white.
Indian Jesus Wins.
And red. Yeah, we'll come up with something. So some of the items you will see probably on a fire sale.
Yeah.
We're still getting the engraving thing figured out.
Got it.
Is your alarm going off?
Yes.
Let's see, what time is it? We have like 10 minutes till Heather has to go.
Yep. How fast can we unbox?
Speed unboxing, quick.
Oh, these are cool.
Trouble lights. Ooh, there you go. They work.
Super bright.
Batteries included. What a bonus.
More hammers. These are more silicone tumblers.
Great.
Yep.
More engraving. What happens is we start engraving things, and a couple things get ruined, of course, as we figure it out, you know. But we're getting there. It's getting better and better. Memory game.
Oh, they're mini ones.
Yeah, these things sold out so fast. So fast. 3 boxes. Not sure we're going to get to all 3, but we're going to do what we can.
Here we go. We're going to do it. Ready?
I'm ready.
Power unboxing. Not enough hours in the day. That's what I discovered.
Never is. That's okay. Ooh. Splash.
Comes with straws, stainless steel, tumblers.
Tumblers.
In various colors.
That's probably an attempt to engrave again.
Yes.
Look at all of our engraving supplies.
But, okay, so with that said, please leave comments in the comment section below what you would like to see us engrave on some of these items.
Absolutely.
Leave the name of the item, like a cup, and you'd like to see this phrase.
Or the sword and that phrase.
Yes. More umbrellas?
More umbrellas. Can't engrave on the umbrella.
Nope, cannot.
I really want to do fabric. Oh,
these are one of our most popular sellers.
The screwdriver set.
30 plus 1. Look at that.
30 plus 1 screwdriver set. That's awesome. You can hang it somewhere. It's just handy to have because you're always missing a screwdriver when you need it. This has got just about every kind you would need. We use it all the time.
And then we have more cups in here.
More cups in there?
Yep.
Fantastic.
I'm just going to scoot
We only have 2 boxes left. Can she do it? I feel confident that she can. Heather's a professional unboxer. She could teach classes on unboxing.
I could.
She's that amazing. Oh.
Ice packs.
Ice packs. Oop, the Canadian Chill Ice Pack. Reusable, freeze and use. Okay, that was slightly redundant, but hey.
That was a little word salady.
Cryopack.retail.com.
Pry bars.
Pry bars. Those sold well for us too.
Yeah.
They're a nice little pry bar.
There we go.
Good old metal pry bar. It's a little pry bar, but 7-inch pry bar.
More tumblers.
Oh, are we going to do it?
We're going to make it.
We have 1 box left.
Okay, that's an empty box.
A lot of padding in these boxes.
Yeah, okay. What's in here?
Is this it? One last thing. Here we go.
I think it's ice packs again.
Oh man.
I can't believe we made it.
It's all you, Heather.
All right. Well, that was a power unboxing. Thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.